Okay, Bhí ag léamh. So, all I'm going to do today is, guys, read this little bit here of our Bua na Cainse. So what I'm going to do is, as I always do, I'm going to read through it without stopping. Then I'm going to go over some of the vocabulary that might be new. Then I'm going to read it again, leaving a gap after each sentence for you to repeat it. Okay? And as I said, there's no writing today. Okay, so don't worry about anything down here. But I would love if you were to send me a voice note back of you reading this. It's just 6 small sentences, and they're good phrases to have actually, so do try your best to learn them off. Okay, so Bhí dul trasna an bhóthair. Stop me thaobh an bhóthair. Dán mé an gcosán mar bhí cár ag dul thar bhrád. Déach mé dheis agus chlé. Ní acha mé aon rud ag teacht. Shiúil mé trasna an bhóthair. Okay, so bhí dul trasna an bhóthair. So bhí it means that you had to do something. So bhí I had to go across the road. Bhí dul trasna an bhóthair. So tá dul trasna an bhóthair, I have to go across the road. Bhí dul trasna an bhóthair, I had to. So past tense. Okay. Beg dul trasna an bhóthair would be, I will have to. So anyway, so bhí dul trasna an bhóthair, I had to go across the road. Stop mé, I stopped, thaobh an bhóthair. Thaobh an bhóthair. So thaobh an bhóthair means side of the road. So stop mé thaobh an bhóthair, I stopped at the side of the road. Dán mé, so we should know that from our verbs. Dán mé, I waited. Dán mé an gcosán, on the path. So dán mé an gcosán, I waited on the path. Mar bhí cár ag dul thar bhrád, because a car was going past. Déach mé, I looked. Déach mé dheis agus chlé. Déach mé, so I looked dheis agus chlé. So I don't need to translate that one for you, so you know where you look when you're crossing the road. Déach mé, I looked dheis agus chlé. Ní acha mé aon rud ag teacht. Okay, ní acha mé, I did not see. Okay, chunig mé, I saw. Ní acha mé, I did not see. Ní acha mé aon rud ag teacht, I didn't see anything coming. Shiúil mé, again we know from our verbs, I walked trasna an bhóthair, across the road. Okay, so I'm going to read them, giving a gap for you to repeat, and then sin é. Bhí dul trasna an bhóthair. Stop mé thaobh an bhóthair. Dán mé an gcosán mar bhí cár ag dul thar bhrád. Déach mé dheis agus chlé. Try and get that CH sound. Déach mé dheis agus chlé. Ní acha mé aon rud ag teacht. Shiúil mé trasna an bhóthair.